Hi Guyana. This video is for the Pick 3 pair method. All that is where you go back about 3 weeks to backtest to see what day is bringing in the 2 digits. First thing to let you know is I was having a very tough time with your website. So all of this, make sure you do backtest and double check your site to make sure that what I'm saying is what you can play, because I couldn't tell if it was an official site or not, so keep that in mind. This method is good for 7 days. Okay, so the types of pair play, again, make sure you double check this because I'm not 100% sure with this. So from what I was seeing, my understanding is that you guys, so looks like your Guyana likes Thursdays. And then from there, so I'm going to show you just a couple pair examples, and I'll show you a brief summary on how I do the back testing. So in this example, I'm going to use the number 175. So let's say, in Guyana, my understanding is that they allow for front pair, back pair, and split pair. But again, make sure you double check that. So if you do front pair, if this is accurate, then this is based on what, how do I phrase this? What I'm showing you now is if you really can play pairs in Guyana. So keep that in mind. Okay, so from what I can tell, Guyana, you can play front pair, back pair, and split pair. So for an example, say you had played 1-7 front pair, and let's say that 175 had fallen. You would win whatever the prize amount is, I'm not sure. So let's just say it's $25 just for a good explanation here. So $25 may not be accurate though, so again, make sure you double check. So let's say you had played 1-7 front pair. If you had played the front pair 1-7, you would win $25. If you had played 7-1 front pair, you would not win because it does have to be an exact play. So same example, let's say that you had played 1-7 back pair, and then you had 5-1-7 hit, you would win $25, for example. And then if that number had fallen as 5-7-1, you would not win. And then split pair, let's say that number fell as 1-5-7, you would win. And then if it fell as 7-5-1, you would not win. So it doesn't necessarily have to be the number 175. Just for an example again, so let's say it had fallen, say you were playing 1-7 front pair, it could show up as 1-7-0, 1-7-2, 1-7-3, 1-7-4, 1-7-5, etc. For you to win, if you had played 1-7 front pair. So this next couple examples, I'm just showing you the back testing that I do. If you cannot see the numbers very well, make sure you pull up whatever site you use to look at the numbers. Okay, so on June 21st, it was a Thursday, 8-4-1 fell. So what you're looking for a 8-4 pair, a 4-1 pair, a 8-1 pair, a 1-8 pair, and a 1-4 pair. So in this week, on June 25th, you had 174 fall. So that's a 1x4 split. And then in the next week, you're on June 28th, 029 fell. So you're looking for a 02, a 29 pair, a 09 pair, a 90 pair, and a 92 pair, and a 20 pair. In this week here, this method did not work. And then just one more example here. So same thing, you're going to look at July 5th, also a Thursday. 763 fell, so you're looking for a 76 pair, a 63 pair, a 73 pair, a 37 pair, a 67 pair, and a 36 pair. In this week, you had a 730 hit from 763, and that fell on July 7th on Saturday. And then based on all of that, the potential pairs in the next 7 days from 476 would be a 4x6 split or a 4-6 front pair. And then same thing from 011 that fell today. So both 476 and 011 hit today. So from 011, you're looking for a 0x1 split or a 01 front pair. Keep in mind that these might fall as like 6x4 splits, a 1x0 split, a 6-4 back pair, a 1-0 back pair, a 4-6 back pair, and a 0-1 back pair. And then they could also reverse, so keep that in mind as well. Okay, Guyana, so that's pretty much it. If you do have any questions, just let me know in the comments.